Plangent is an adjective used to describe a sound that is loud, deep, and often mournful or resonant. It evokes an emotional or melancholic tone. Origins: the word comes from the Latin plangere, meaning to strike or to lament. It originally referred to the sound of striking or beating, particularly in expressions of sorrow. Over time, it evolved to describe resonant, sorrowful sounds in English. Explanation and usage. Plangent is often used to describe sounds, such as music, voices, or echoes that resonate with depth and sadness, leaving a strong emotional impact. Example sentences. The plangent tones of the cello filled the concert hall with a haunting beauty. A plangent cry echoed across the valley, stirring everyone's hearts. Synonyms: resonant, deep, clear, and continuing to sound. Mournful, full of sorrow or sadness. Melancholic, deeply emotional and wistful. Antonyms: cheerful, expressing happiness or optimism. Muted, soft, quiet, or restrained. Harsh, unpleasantly rough or jarring. Key takeaway: plangent is a powerful word that captures the essence of emotionally resonant sounds. Often associated with melancholy or poignancy, it is ideal for describing moments that evoke deep feelings through auditory, imagery,